This video is on installation consideration for wireless network. Before installing a wireless network, you need to conduct site survey. And to do a proper survey, you need tools like heat maps and Wi-Fi analyzer. The goal is to assess the environment to identify gaps to ensure proper wireless coverage, data rates, network capacity, roaming capability, and quality of service. Ultimately, this helps you decide where to optimally place your AEPs for overall coverage and save cost and ensure interference are minimized. You can identify what areas needs the most coverage, evaluate where it should be installed, identify what kind of cables needs to be there, as well as required ports, mounting, cable path, and so forth. This is also critical for security because you want to make sure controller and access points are placed in secure areas. A Wi-Fi heat map is a visual representation of the wireless signal coverage and strength. It's generally overlaid on top of a building or facility floor plan to help give network owners a clear idea of where the problem areas are located in relation to the collected survey data and access point locations. Wi-Fi Analyzer is a tool that can be used during the site survey to generate a visual display of the network data of your surrounding channels. It helps users identify channel conflicts, signal overlaps that can interfere with the network.